Hey, YouTube. I've got another gameplay. This is Sick Prodigy V2. This gameplay is Drop Zone. I'm playing with my clan. It was just us on a team, I believe. And today I want to go over like tips and tricks in the game Drop Zone. In the game type. Basically, there's a drop zone, and you don't have any kill streaks, and the only kill streaks you get are care packages, and you have to get to the drop zone, which is a red, like, smoky area, as you can see right there, and you get 20 points, and you get care packages. You earn care packages through, you have to stay, I believe, 15 seconds on the drop zone to earn your care package. I believe 15 or 20, and in the Call of Duty world, that is like hours. But yeah, today, I just want to say, like, if you are going for like a better KD, or you're going for XP, this game is great. Or you just want, and it's just really fun. Because if you're going for KD, you can you don't have to go onto the drop zone, but you'll probably be last, but you don't have to go to the drop zone. Because, if you, in this gameplay, that was my only death right there. And, so I decided not to go for the drop zone and try and get my KD up. So I, decided to run around. For getting your KD up, or, like, just get more kills than you really want, you have to do more of like running around and flanking. I would choose, like, if the drop zone, like in this, what you can see now, I would pick to flank around, not straight down the middle. And you want to figure out where the enemy team is spawning, so you can run that way, so that way you get behind them and you get more kills. And I decided to go with the ACR because it has great accuracy for those running gun. I know it's running gun means like a machine gun because you're running, but like I'm not using Stalker. I'm using, I think, Dead Silence, but I would highly advise using Stalker, because you can get those running guns because you're flanking. I'm using the ACR, no attachments, because I didn't just unlock it, but I just decided to use it. What else? Oh, Javelin as my secondary. What was it? Yeah, Semtex concussion grenades. And I'm using Blind Eye, Assassin, and Dead Silence. And Dead Silence is great for like almost all game types, but I highly advise Stalker. So it depends on if you're going for XP or not. And this is a great ACR is a great gun for just your typical getting kills kind of person, because you're constantly running and you have the gun, and it's a great gun. Its damage is down there, but I mean the accuracy is fantastic, so you can always hit those shots there, and the distance and range is pretty good. If you're going for XP, I would highly advise using, what's it called? Blast Shield, Blind Eye, and what was the final one? I think Dead Silence. I would use that, because if you're trying to get to the drop zone, you want to get there as quick as possible, so you want to sprint there, and you don't want to be heard or seen. So that's what I would use. Let's see, what else? So this was a great gameplay because I only had one death, and it was that Predator missile back then, you know, back in the game. And right here, this is the wonders of Dead Man's Hand right there. I mean, I did not shoot him. I'm not sure he even pulled the trigger on himself, but right there, I just got a double kill. In this game, I would just run, try and get those kills. If you're trying to level up and get that XP, I would definitely go to the drop zone. But if you're trying to get those, if you're trying to get that KD up, if you're trying to shift your game up, trying to be more aggressive, then I would definitely choose to run around. This is Sick Prodigy with another video. I'll make another video soon today. Thank you, and have a great day, everybody.